Bada bada bum 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 badum bum badum bum badum bum bada bada bum 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 badum bum badum bum badum bum bada bada bum bum badum bum badum bum bada bada bum bum badum bum badum bum badum.
Ziggy played guitar, jamming goods with Weird and Giddy and the spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became a special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo like some cat from Japan. He could lick 'em by smiling, he could leave 'em to hang. Came on so loaded, man, well hung, Snow White tan. So where were the spiders while the fly tried to braid our bones? Just a light to guide us where we bitched about his fans, and should we crush his sweet hand? Oh!
Bum badum bum badum bum badum.
And Ziggy played guitar.
So here we are, drifting on an open sea. Here we are, and then again we know, for all we know, I know, la la. All right, let's try this.
Hey, little sister, what have you done? Hey, little sister, who's the only one? I let you go for so long. I let you go for so long. I let you go for so long. It's a nice day, white wedding.
Hey, little sister, what have you done?
done?
Hey, Boujou! Welcome back to Boujou
Nana Boujou,
the podcast
about Ojibwe language,
and culture. I am Nana Boujou.
and I am Natasha. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Nishime, my little sibling, my like younger brother or sister. Nishime. And if it's your younger brother or sister, you say Gishime. Nishime, my younger brother or sister. Gishime, your younger brother or sister. And this has been
The Ojibwe word
of the day. And we're so close
we can just finish
each other's
sentences. Oh, all right.
Okay then, that's all I had to say. You got anything you want to add here, sweetie?
No, I think that's good. I will see you again.
Kikawaba min!
Minowa. Hoa.
Oh, that was really good.
Oh, thank you. Want to take off?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
All right. Yeah, I'll see you later.